In this video, we will demonstrate how to remove the protective covers from the wheel guards on your Biktrix Skycap 2. After removing the protective covers, your wheel guards will be transparent. To complete this job, you will need a small Phillips head screwdriver. Step 1. Unmount the wheel guard. There are 3 black plastic clips that hold the wheel guard in place. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, remove the screw in each plastic clip. The clip nearest the rear of the bike may be obstructed by the bike frame. In order to access the screw head, you may need to move the fender. Stabilize the bike with one hand while pulling the fender down with the other. This should reveal the screw head. Once all of the screws have been removed, you can pull the clips off of the fender and then remove them from the wheel guard. Step 2. Remove the wheel guard cover. Now that the wheel guard can move freely, you can begin to peel away the protective cover. Pick at one corner until the cover begins to lift. Then, pull it all the way off. If you have side cutters and zip ties, you may find it easier to remove the wheel guard completely, but for this demonstration, we're going to leave it in place. Repeat this process for the protective covering on the other side of the wheel guard. Step 3. Remount the wheel guard. With the protective covering removed, you may begin to reinstall the wheel guard. Push the clips back into place and then reattach the clips to the fender. Finally, reinstall the screws to lock the wheel guard in place. Now you can repeat steps 1 to 3 on the other side of the bike to finish the job.